Hello, I am Antonio Pérez, a teacher from Sierra Luna High School in the south of Spain. In the southern of Spain, I teach physics and chemistry to students between 13 to 18 years old. I think that this global pandemic is being terrible. An important part of the teachers in my country did not have the adequate training to teach at distance online. So they had to train at the same time than as they taught. But in addition, many teachers are also parents who have to help their children with their studies. And in addition, they have other problems. But I think that the more important thing at this time is to be able to show our students that we are going to return to normalcy, that we are going to overcome this pandemic, and they must be calm and, very important, respect health regulation so that everything happens as quickly as possible. But, you know, doing all this remotely is not easy. With regard to students, they have had to adapt to a new teaching model and at the same time overcome this complex situation for which no one is prepared. Also, in some cases, without adequate equipment due to the digital divide. For this reason, I think that we should give less importance to curricular content and take more care of the mood or mental health of our students. For example, I will remember that during confinement, we spent 3 months in our house without go out. I remember that during the confinement, many classes by video conference, we spent only about things that worried them, the thing that worried to my student. We did not see any physics and chemistry. I think that is important. Finally, parents have to face the pandemic, health problems, work problem, because a lot of people in Spain have lost their jobs, and these parents also have to help their children with their studies. Parents might be the ones who are having, it's only my opinion, but I think that parents are the ones who are having the worst time right now. However, we are not talking the time to help them. They are now, more than ever, a critical part of your children's education. Perhaps it would be necessary to do training courses for parents, but not only so they learn new information and communication technologies, but also so that they acquire a skill that they can use to help their children face the new problem that we are appearing now. I think at this time, the more important thing is the health and mental health of our students, parents, and teachers. Of the curricular content, it should be like secondary, not the principal job in the school.